Hi, my name is Richard Finn. I'd like to talk to you about my upcoming course in Dermoneuromodulation. That's just a fancy way of saying skin stretch. Basically, what I'm going to emphasize in the course is asking the patient where they hurt, locating tender areas of the skin in that general region, placing one finger on the spot, and then using the other hand to distract the skin in another direction until I feel that pull under my first finger. What happens at that point is really interesting because we have stretch receptors in the skin, not just in the muscles like we were taught in massage school, but we actually have them in the skin. We also have receptors in the skin that respond to pressure. So whenever we put our pressure down and stretch somewhere else, we're activating at least two different types of receptors. That's really important because when those receptors send their information through the nervous system up to the brainstem, the brainstem gets that information about where we're at in space. It gets to decide then what to do with that information. And oftentimes the way it deals with that information is to soften the area where our fingers are at. It begins to calm our breathing down to where we start breathing more abdominally rather than through our chest. It also oftentimes warms up the extremities. The other thing I often see is an increase in a straight leg raise, and I oftentimes see a whole postural correction that I wasn't even trying to make happen. I was just trying to calm down the nervous system by stretching the skin. Come and join me at the Pittsburgh School of Massage, and hopefully you can learn to do the same thing. Thank you very much for listening.